Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today something a bit different. I'm sat in a dark hide doing a bit of wildlife. So I'm at Simon Eardley's hide in mid Wales, and I've got some kit that I'm just having a play with, and we're going to photograph birds, and hopefully we'll get some nice raptors in and so forth, but we'll see. So do join me today and let's see what we can capture. So today what I've got with me is I have hired the OM-50-200 2.8 for today specially, because I thought that'd be quite interesting to do, and that's paired with the OM-3. I've got my Lumix 200 2.8 prime. I've got a cup of coffee, or tea rather, and I've got my OM-150-600 on Dave Griffiths' OM1, which is now pointed out. I don't know if you can see it, there's some perches out in the distance, and that's that one of those. So lots of kit, lots of things to try. So I'm going to be sat here for all day, so I will collect some video and I'll stitch that together and give you my thoughts. Is that all? So is that? So my time in the hide at Simon's is coming to a close. Just reflecting on today, I think in summary, OM3 beats OM1, which isn't a massive surprise given that the OM3 is based in OM1 Mark II. The autofocus, and the bird ID is just seems to be a lot stickier and a lot more responsive. Lenses, 150-600 did all right. I have barely used my 200 2.8, which is a surprise, because I thought I would, but this lens just carries it. I mean, it carries the price tag as well. But yeah, the 50 200 seems to be a very nice piece of kit. I mean, you'd expect so for what they charge, but beggars can't be choosers. So yeah, on the kit side, very good. I know I don't usually jump back to my office when I've been doing filming out in the field. I did just want to make 1 or 2 extra points because I wasn't particularly feeling top notch last week, and there was a couple of things I forgot to say, and one became obvious kind of after the event. So the first thing is that in terms of cost, the OM is an expensive lens. It is very good. Don't think anything differently. But for 2/3 of the money, you could get the 200 2.8 prime and the 50-200 2.8 2.4 from Panasonic used. That to me could be an intriguing prospect for somebody, especially if you can get the 200 prime with a teleconverter that works on both. That would give you some flexibility. So that is worth considering. The other thing that became apparent in post-production, and I didn't do very much to any of the images from any of the lenses. So they were run through Adobe Lightroom with an adaptive color profile and the noise reduction, because it was a flat light. So I was often running at 6400 ISO, but they tidied up fine because, you know, both the cameras can tidy up very well when when you run them through the noise reduction. The 200 2.8 is still uber sharp, mega sharp, ruddy sharp, and trumped the 200 from Olympus, sorry, OM. Not surprised because it's a prime, so it's more optimized. It's the benefits that I should know this by now. The benefits the OM provides in terms of the flexibility of 50-200, obviously the Panasonic Leica doesn't, but conversely it then does give you excellent sharpness and resolving power. So those are just the 2 points I want to make before you get thrown back into some more images. But I think it's just worth bearing that in mind. But yeah, so back now, past the hide, into the gallery. With that, I shall say thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. And I shall probably leave you with a couple of images from the day. So have a good one, and I'll catch you on the next vlog. Cheers for now.